In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sign-up forms for Shopify using Klaviyo. If you're looking to enhance your online store with efficient and attractive sign-up forms, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and explore how you can do this with ease. First, you'll need to log into your Klaviyo account. Once you're in, head over to your Klaviyo dashboard. This is where all the magic begins. From the dashboard, you'll see a variety of options on the left sidebar. Look for the Website drop-down menu. Go ahead and click on it. This will expand a list of features related to your website's integration with Klaviyo. Next, within this expanded menu, you'll notice the option for Sign-up Forms. Click on this to proceed. This is where you'll manage all your forms, and it's the gateway to creating new ones. Now, to start a new form, look for the button that says Create Form. This is typically located at the top of the page. Clicking this will prompt you to choose a template for your form. Klaviyo offers a variety of templates to suit different needs and styles. When you're choosing your preferred template, think about your Shopify store's theme and customer base. Select a template that aligns well with your branding and what you aim to achieve with the sign-up form. Once you've made your choice, it's time to give your form a name. This name is for your reference, so make it something descriptive that will remind you of the form's purpose later on. After naming your form, click Create Form to proceed. This will take you to the customization stage where you can tweak the form to better fit your needs. Here, you can adjust colors, fonts, and the overall design. You might want to consider what kind of information you need from your customers. Customizing your form allows you to add fields for names, emails, or any other details you might require. Remember, the goal is to make the sign-up form inviting and easy to fill out. Too many fields might deter users, so try to keep it concise and relevant. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and functions, you're ready to finalize your form. And just like that, you've successfully created a sign-up form for your Shopify store using Klaviyo. This process not only helps in growing your email list, but also enhances your engagement strategy by capturing valuable customer information. Be sure to regularly review and update your forms to keep them fresh and aligned with your marketing goals. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in setting up your Shopify sign-up forms with Klaviyo. Until next time, happy marketing.